Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study the question words in the Egyptian dialect. The first one is A. A means what? And of course it's the most used one. And by the way, the question word in the Egyptian dialect most of the time comes at the end of the sentence, at the end of the question, not in the beginning. So for example, هو عايز إيه? هو عايز إيه? He wants what? What does he want? It's هو عايز إيه. Okay? And one of the most used expressions is في إيه. في إيه. What's going on? You know, في, it means like there is, and sometimes it means, literally it means in it. So في إيه, what's going on? The next one is فين. فين means where. فين. For example, الكتاب فين. Where is the book? الكتاب فين. And also هو رايح فين. Where is he going? هو رايح. Here we use the active participle because he's going right now. So هو رايح فين. Where is he going? The next one is ليه. ليه. Why? ليه. For example, هو زعلان ليه. Why is he sad? هو زعلان. He is sad. ليه. Why? The next one is ازاي. ازاي means how. For example, ده بيشتغل ازاي. ده بيشتغل ازاي. How does this work? ده, this, بيشتغل, works, ازاي. How does this work? For example, هما بيذاكروا ازاي. هما, they, بيذاكروا, they study, ازاي. How? How do they study? هما بيذاكروا ازاي. The next one is امتى. امتى. امتى means when. امتى. انت بتصحى امتى. When do you wake up. انت بتصحى, you بتصحى, wake up, امتى, when. The next one is أنهي. أنهي means which one. Okay, so for example, أنت عايز تدرس أنهي لغة. أنت عايز تدرس. أنت عايز تدرس. You want to study. أنهي لغة. Which language. Okay. For example, another example is أنهي كتاب أحسن. أنهي كتاب أحسن. Which book is better. أنهي كتاب, which book, أحسن is better. The next one is, and the last one is مين. مين means who. مين الولد ده. مين الولد ده. Who is this boy. ولد, boy, الولد ده, this boy. مين الولد ده. Here مين comes at in the beginning of the question. But of course the structure can be different. You can say الولد ده مين. Okay. مين اللي واقف هناك. مين اللي واقف هناك. Who is standing over there. Who is standing over there. مين اللي means who, but this is of course not who, not the question. مين اللي, this is the relative pronoun. اللي. واقف هناك. واقف active participle from the verb وقف or وقف, to stand up or to stop also. مين اللي واقف هناك. هناك means there or over there. So these are all the question words in the Egyptian dialect, and I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel and you can visit our website for more lessons. Thank you.